Selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam buat kalian semua nonton live ataupun nonton replay adik-adik ya. Adik-adik tergedik-gedik. Jadi di pagi hari ini sabar ya. Kita invite dulu ya. Tadi udah main gue segame. Kalah gara-gara MM cuy. Ini kita klaim dulu adik-adik. Oke, langsung aja kita gaskan. Anggap aja ini game pertama lah ya. Waduh, ada user. Enggak deh, Goldland dia. Harusnya aman cuy, dia Goldland dia cuy. XP bisa nggak tuh dia? XP nggak bisa ya? Apa gue XP aja ya? Ya wes lah, gue XP dah. Ngalah kita guys. Harit udah. Siapa lagi sih yang di band? HC.
Your team is picking.
Vexana tuh lepas.
This fairy tale ended with a poisoned apple, and my tale began.
Dua jam kali, jam apa 2 jam ini ya?
Wherever I go, hey, it's time to go to the RT show. Your team is picking.
See value in me? You should.
Kalau di SME kita apa ya guys ya?
Come on, Dexter. It's our showtime.
Enemy is picking.
SME itu dinaikinnya itu magic defense, physical defense.
This land is our homeland, and it will soon be our burial ground.
Enak gak sih nih SME guys? Enak ya? Enak kali.
Still swords run deep. Who said there are no shortcuts in life? I literally invented one.
Kita di sini harus ngikutin build dari orang ya, ini ya. Vespine. Dia makanya bulu dia. Dia full damage, gila. Enggak full damage juga kali.
Chivalry is dead, and I will
Oke, sabar, dia makanya apa sih? Jangan trill, kita makanya sepatu juga oke sih. lawan ini damage semua ya, jadi harus pakai tenacity gua, apalagi lawan lapu kan, lapunya full merah dia. Brave Smith, untuk item ya seperti biasa. Wih, vexalanya yang Zenith bro, tadi MM-nya ngaco banget guys, maju-maju mulu dia, pakai clean tadi dia. Orang di map sepi ya, maju mulu dia di mid.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Langsung ambil skill 2 saja. Kira-kira adu pukul menang siapa guys? Ini harus gua agresif kah? Gua belum pernah lawan lapu gua.
Launch attack. Nothing compared to
Oh,
my
menang gua
beliefs.
guys, adu pukul menang gua. Jadi di sini dikarenakan udah menang gua,
Try to keep up if you can.
langsung ambil kelomangnya ya. Kita adu pukul aja, jangan takut. Karena kan dia ada skill putihnya tuh.
Don't want to dance? Wake up! Wake up!
Nah, jangan takut guys ya kan.
If only I could forget the past.
Nah, dia flicker tuh aman aja.
Or seeing your face.
Kita langsung ulti aja ya. Langsung kita zoning di turtle, anjay. Kayak ngajarin gini gue ya, sorry dah.
Stars are my beacons. Attack the turtles. Okay.
Alah, nggak bisa guys.
Wake up! Nope. Initiate retreat.
Dia pakai flicker dia.
Wake up!
Understood.
Inilah.
Death is nothing compared to my beliefs. We're behind the goal. Ult is ready.
MM mati lagi guys.
Ult is ready. Try to keep up if you can. Ha!
Alah, telat. Telat banget guys kalian.
Not ready. Don't want to dance?
lampu mati, yes. Kita bisa nge-push, guys. Kalah, bro. Nice.
If only our turret has been destroyed. The past. I have foreseen your fate. Our turret has been destroyed.
Woi, map nggak sih, woi?
The struggle is
Astaga, masih aja kalah lu. Kagak ada siapa-siapa cok di bawah.
turret has been destroyed.
Sumpah dah.
Initiate retreat.
Lalu Bang Air Langga. Gila nih Bang Air Langga nih, absen nih dia nih.
No secret. Our turret under attack. You don't want to die has been slain.
Yes, yes, yes.
My belief.
Lihat, lihat, lihat.
Under attack.
Ada clean, ada clean. Sabar. Aduh, cleannya sakit banget, bro. Ini sakit banget, nggak bisa.
Well played. The stars are down. We're behind the goal.
Kalah di ini game. Nice.
The enemy has slain the turtle. We're behind in goal.
Bagus, bagus. Kalau dia dapat satu kill, bagus dia.
Ult is ready. I have foreseen your fate. Ult is ready.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Try to keep up if you can. Launch attack. If only I could forget
Lihat
the
map nggak
past.
sih? Minit. Astaga, kagak ada yang ganti kan. Capek, capek.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Sakit banget, bro.
Turret is under attack.
Tadi push atas aja gas tadi.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ya ilah deh.
We're behind in goal.
Gimana ya bisa?
The enemy has slain Lord.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Tulis kali nggak mati ya.
See your face. Try to keep up if you can.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
I have foreseen your face.
Gak gitu ya. Iya gitu deh.
Initiate retreat. Rampage. Ult is not ready.
Banget ya Allah, klinik sedikit banget guys, nggak bisa. Gue mau nebel juga susah guys, nggak bisa guys klinik.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Defend dulu deh.
Defend the turret not ready. Death the turret is nothing compared to my beliefs. Ult is not ready.
Anjir, gue malah ini cok. Ngapain pula gue gitu guys. Kagak mati lagi. Salah. Leset ke situ gua.
We're behind in goal.
Gak bisa gua. Tanya belum ngerti bro. War terus. Warnya terus, gue dari tadi udah kodein tuh dikalah. war terus.
Your team is banning.
Kalah duit tetap war terus.
Please pick a hero.
Mas
Everyone has a beast with it. The enemy is picking.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
I am vengeance
Please pick a hero.
incarnate.
Nana ya berapa ya?
Sweet adventure starts here.
Gord.
There's no time to chit chat.
The enemy is picking.
Nah betul kan.
3,000 worlds
Enak main dari jauh guys.
and not a single worthy foe.
Your team is picking.
Of imprisonment.
Popple and Koopa are the best stitches I can help.
The enemy is picking.
Waduh makanannya Terizla sama si ini nih.
Who said
Waduh,
there are no shortcuts in life?
Kalah
I
di game.
literally invented one.
Kalah deh ini game. Ini bunuh 3 orang ini gimana coba nih? Oke lah kalau Moskot masih oke lah karena ada si siapa nih Mas ya. 3 orang itu bunuh pakai apa guys? Nunggu gue jadi lama banget. Oh gue langsung bakar-bakar ini mah.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till
let's
the
go
enemy
menang.
reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Tunggu gue main mid nih ya.
Watch the bushes
Harus
for
bisa
ambush.
ngegendong minimal.
Open your mind. Imagination is the driving force of the enemy.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Launch attack.
Sakit popol ya? Hah? Baru tahu gue popol sesakit itu bro.
Launch attack.
Hah, popol sakit banget kah?
First blood. An enemy has been slain. Sorry. Watch out for planting.
Stop pissing me off, or I'll destroy
Initiate
you.
retreat.
Mystic magic is so
Haha, gue udah tahu cuy ada Nana cuy. Haha,
Attack the turtle.
face yourself.
nggak bisa tuh di zoning. Nggak bisa di zoning bro.
Enemy has slain the turtle.
Florin lo mending bawah nggak sih? Salah masuk dia guys.
Excellent work. Ult is ready.
Florin lo mending bantu bawah.
Launch attack.
You will never learn.
Initiate retreat.
Apa namanya sih, stun ini guys. Aduh, kena Nana mati ya. Aduh, baru tahu gua kalau kena Nana tuh gagal ya. Aduh, guys. Ini siapa yang keren sih, Popol itu. Kelas Popol.
Face yourself.
Udah digendong Popol kita nih. Ini nih match ini nih. Opet sih,
Ult is
opet.
not ready. Sorry.
Sabar ya, gua rotasi ke atas nih.
Force of the energy.
Ult is not ready.
Aduh, lalu aja nih, ini orang di tengah-tengah mulu cuy.
Open your mind.
Ult is not ready.
Nggak bisa gua ke atas bro, di zoning sama dia
Ult is
tuh.
not ready. Initiate retreat.
Sumpah nih, gua ini langsung mati nih.
Mystic magic is so wonderful.
Wah, ini di sini nih.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Will
Tenang, belum jadi item kita bro.
Mega kill.
Sembur. Nice.
Kill.
Pedes banget. Nananya pedes banget tuh.
beyond world destroyed.
Ult is not ready.
Dia Popolnya kelas nih.
Ult is not ready.
Sakit banget ya. Bingung gua.
An enemy has been slain.
Alamak, ini orang tuh sumpah dah si Nana ini. Pantesannya hari cepet bro.
Destroy the turret.
I'm not a monster. I'm a
Ult is
demon.
not ready. Retreat. Ult is not ready. An enemy has been slain.
Tuh, oh, Nana masuk ke ini ya. Masuk ke dalam ini dia. Dia masih survive. Waduh.
Triple kill.
Nananya ini cuy.
Our turret is
Ini baru chip nih. Intinya pas dulu dia.
turret has been destroyed.
2000.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ult is not ready. Our turret is under attack. Not ready. Ult is not ready.
So wonderful.
Gather around. Initiate. Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Ult is ready.
Kita harus kill sih.
Launch attack. Request backup. An ally has slain Lord.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Initiate
Ini
retreat.
bisa ya ngeceknya pakai skill buang-buang skill bisa kan ngecek itu. Oh bro,
Ult is not ready. Retreat.
oh sih.
Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready. Shut down. Ult is not ready.
Understood.
Ah mati lagi guys. Nana ini skill 2 ini bagus banget ya. Terus nggak sih itu?
Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed the turret.
Face yourself.
Miskin banget gua.
Dominating. Wait up.
I'm not a monster. I'm a demon.
You have slain. Initiate retreat. Okay.
Awas nananya nih, nana bahaya banget bro. Tuh lihat.
Wait up. Under attack. Destroyed.
Nah mama itu.
Not ready.
Gasin lo gasin.
Slain.
Harus respect sih.
Launch attack. Slain.
Harus respect sih.
Gather around.
Harus respect nana nih. Siapa MM-nya nih? Bagusan apa ya guys ya?
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Ini sih kalau gue gas sih. Gas enggak? Gue bisa gas nih. ada ini juga.
Initiate retreat. Wake up!
I'm not a monster. I'm a demon. Bear my wrath!
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Launch attack!
Atas bro.
Ult is not ready. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team is not ready. The turret. Initiate retreat.
Waduh gue ya.
Initiate retreat.
Waduh NOD WON dia.
Under attack.
Ya tuh tuh berapa sakitnya Nana bre.
Turn up under attack.
Kan gue bilang respect Nana.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Coba sabar minion. Ah blunder dia nih. Let's go momen blunder. Blunder momen.
Ult is not ready.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Gather up the Lord.
Satu-satu kunci respect Nana bro.
Defend the high ground.
Open your mind.
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Ini tabrak gua goblok. Udah ulti tuh.
Not ready.
Kagak ada ulti ya sih ini. Sip.
Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret.
Carut ya. Wah kena lagi dong musuh apa ini.
Attack. Battle spell is cooldown. Initiate retreat.
Let's go musuh ke atas ya. Oh di ulti moskop mati loh. Moskop ini apa lah cok? backdoor ya. Alamak, backdoor coy. Aduh, kena backdoor cok. Aduh, Matilda enak banget ini di sini ya. Turun lagi. Nggak jadi glory nih guys. 42.
Please ban a hero.
Sakit
Is
banget nih.
banning. Your team is picking.
Ke sana nih anaknya. Bebas dah, ini juga boleh.
Minotaur
The
will
enemy is
finish off
picking.
what was left
Do you
undone.
want to make
Aduh, dia
friends
nana
with
lagi
Nana?
ya. Gue pakai
For honor!
Novaria aja
Please
kali
pick
ya.
a hero.
Novaria aja lah.
The falling stars brought us here. The enemy is picking.
Sun rises when I give the word.
Waduh, mabar. Lagi lost track ini bang. Pusing. 5 bintang mau ke glory susah kali ya.
Or smashing
Your team
back.
is picking.
It is in despair that I see the fondest hopes.
Ini kok dari pick-pickan kita OP sih. Draft pick kiri sih enak sih.
Welcome to the jungle.
The enemy is picking.
Ini draft kiri enak guys. Bet. Semoga nggak sabun
Time
lah.
and tide wait
Aing
for
gue ya.
no man nor girl.
Ayamnya kayak kemarin tuh. Wah, wangi banget kemarin. Nah, yang tadi kan ini orang beda. Ya iya elah, ketemu Nana yang tadi guys. Masih ketemu 2 kali tuh si Fafa. Aduh pusing nananya kayak gitu lagi, sakit banget dia guys. Sadar gak ya dia? Main bertiga dia harusnya ya. Oh duo dia, duo trio kayaknya nih. Ketemu Nana lagi dong, astaga. Gue juga pusing kenapa bisa sakit banget dia.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Apa sih dia ininya? Agility dia
5
ngambilin.
seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. The 9 billion stars above.
Ngebal nih kita nih ya.
I know every one of them. The stars see all, but they never care.
Oh dia pakai assassin ini harusnya nih.
Get lost in the stardust. Initiate retreat. Okay. The paths of
Dapat.
life are not in the stars, but beneath our feet. The stars come to me. Okay.
Minonnya selalu ke gue
Meet
tuh.
your end.
Mino bantu atas nggak sih? MM-nya kalah lagi.
For me. My home has long gone without stars.
Aduh udah
Come
kali.
to me. Launch attack.
Mau apa lu bocil? Bocil mau apa bocil?
Look back.
Emang tuh hero bocil itu ngeselin banget.
Enemy missing. Initiate retreat.
Awas weh, ya ampun.
Initiate retreat.
Nananya ini sakit banget ya, aneh banget sih.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Gather at the turtle.
Pecah tuh ya.
Gather at the turtle. Okay. Come to me. Request back. Okay. A kind of weakness, boundlessness, devoured me, and then it became me. Shine for me. An ally. Kill.
Nice. Early yang sangat-sangat bagus ya. Kali.
Rain of stars. Behold the stars.
Awas ke bawah dia, ke bawah.
Initiate retreat. Ult is ready.
Ke bawah dia weh.
Enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Nana hilang ya.
Okay, enemy missing. Initiate retreat. Enemy missing. Shine for me. Request backup. Wait up. Rain of stars. Shine for me.
Aduh kena Korbita cok.
Battle spell in cooldown. Launch attack. Understood. Request backup. Request backup. Launch attack. Okay. Request backup.
Udah gak sih?
Shut down. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Rain of stars.
Brilliant.
Ult is not ready.
1, 2, 3. Sidem, jauh cuk. Dapat.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Ult is not ready. Ult is ready. Ult is not ready. We're ahead in gold.
Flare.
Ult is not ready.
Okay. Come to me.
Ult is not ready. Spell is ready.
Shine for me.
Launch attack. Ult is not ready.
Come to me.
Ult is ready.
Shine for me.
Ult is ready.
Kan nanas sekarang anak. Nanas tengah ya deh, darah deh.
Launch attack.
Nanas syarat.
Our turret is under attack.
Anjir, kena tembak bro.
Our turret has been
Come
destroyed.
to me. Shine for me.
Ult is not ready.
Every shine for me.
Under attack.
Understood.
Launch attack. We're behind. We're behind the goal. Ult is not ready.
Come to me.
Okay.
Behold the stars.
Ult is ready. Battle spell initiate.
Shine for me.
Gimana mau push sih?
Initiate retreat.
Angin tuh dia.
Initiate retreat.
Rain of come to me.
Launch attack.
Asik, tak ada rasanya banget bro.
Shine for me. Shine for me.
Been destroyed.
Stargazers only see the past. What I want, however, come to me. I have my destiny on my fingertips.
Ult is not ready. Ult is ready.
Rain of stars. Ampun
Ult is not ready.
Shine for me.
Shut down. Initiate.
Ya udah satu pixel satu.
The stars see all, but they never care.
Okay.
Rain of stars.
Enemy missing. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Ult is ready. Request backup.
Come to me.
Wait up.
Dia still berempat dia.
Launch attack.
The paths of life are not in the stars, but beneath the shine for me. Meteorite.
Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret. Ult is ready.
Rain of stars.
Request backup. stargazing is shine for me. Oh, it's not ready. Shine for me. Oh, it's not ready. Watch the bushes for ambush. Not ready. Stellar confinement. It's not ready. An enemy. Go back to where you belong. Come to me. Ult is ready. Our turret is under attack. Behold the stars.
Ano din yun?
Request back. Okay. We're behind in goal.
Sekarang tuh dia tuh Nana.
Attack.
Tipis-tipis nggak sih maju?
Request backup. My home. I've long known of those stars.
Nggak ada rasanya pisan.
Shine for me. Oh, it's not ready.
Set lu lihat tuh. Kali tembak bro.
Get lost in the stardust. Shine for me. Ult is not ready.
Susah gimana ya, dia berempat mulu.
Stargazing only see the past. What I want, however, is to reshape the future. Watch the bushes for ambush. Launch attack. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. A kind of blueness, boundlessness. Launch attack. Slain. Ult is ready. Battle spell in cooldown. Ult is not ready. Has been.
Dorong atas, dorong atas.
Ult is not ready. Battle spell in cooldown. Everyone gets to miss.
Lihat, lihat. Aman, yang penting nggak purify gue.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Not ready.
Wah sakit nananya bro.
Our turret is under attack. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Ya kena semua bro.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Shine for me. Launch attack. Mega kill.
Aduh, kenainya lagi gue turut. Nana udah pasif ya.
Thank you. The stars live. Come to me. Unstoppable. Shining in the air. Come to me. You destroy the turret. By the will of the stars. Launch attack. I have my destiny on my fingertips. Ult is ready. Team destroy the turret. Team destroy the turret.
Pencet kan gue.
Flare. Initiate retreat.
gas tuh, kenapa tuh? Gitu maksudnya ya Gaki. Gaski. Meledak.
Ult is not ready.
Bakar gue belum jadi bro, kagak ada rasanya bro. Ini dia.
Rain of stars.
Gas, push aja push. Satu sama ya, Nana. Kelas gitu maksudnya Mino ya kan, combo. Gila mau di-skip.
Victory.
Waalaikumsalam Bang Rizky, halo. Ceneverlus. Itu maksudnya kan butuh satu momen aja guys. 43 gitu lama banget cok. Empat tiga, waduh ketemu Nana lagi kah? Jangan sampai lah ketemu Nana lah. Wih, bisa harit nih dia nih, bisa harit dia midland. Waduh, dia midland ya, udah gue gold lane dah.
Your team is banning.
Ada gue XP dah. Harit dia tuh, harit. Dan ini aja gini. Dari tadi siapa sih yang kepake? Nana gak sih?
Please ban a hero.
Barat. Nana sih, antara Nana kalau enggak si Nathan.
The enemy is picking.
Gua XP ya. Siapa dia? Loi dia, Loi. Angela. Wah, AFK dia nih.
I see lots of
Roger dia.
prey.
Your team is picking.
Roger. Gas harit. Buset. Matilda gak sih?
Protect your Onion Empire. The enemy is
Finish off what
Bosen
was
dia,
left
bosen Matilda kali
undone.
dia.
Everything
Aduh, kan dibilang
engulfed in
izin kan.
flames.
Jin ini emang rada-rada guys.
your team is
Esme lah, masih penasaran gue Esme cu.
Life is a game, and I decide how it's played.
And not a single worthy
Cang
foe.
ini ya, Cang E apa? Attack speed. Sekali dimasukin Yin mati dia. Waduh, Selena lagi.
the enemy is picking. The abyss case is back. Let's go.
XP-nya dia siapa ya? Edit.
I'm the priestess of primal lightning. Please pick the hunter of all the evil gods. The night sky tells all.
Tetap keginian guys. Prot. Sapik dia gila. Mulai wangi nih guys. Gak bisa bang, masih noob gue bang. Mabar ntar takutnya kalah gue, males gue. Gak enakan gue cu kalau kalah cu. Gates.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Fufu, Fafa tadi siapa itu ya? Nah Roger tuh.
Watch the bushes
Nah
for
Roger
ambush.
XP ya?
Launch attack!
Nah di mana? Aduh purify deh. Purify bre, jangan dimajuin bre. Ya elah, jangan dimajuin, purify dia.
Try to keep up. If you can.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Death is
Ada
nothing
Jin, bro.
compared to my beliefs.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Apa lu mau masuk ke gua?
Double kill. Push first.
Buset, masih ada nih orang. Aduh, masih ada aja dia orang ya.
Free. Attack the turtle. If only
Kita infoin langsung maju deh guys, berani tuh dia.
an ally slaying the turtle.
It's okay, tuker turtle.
Always ready.
Aduh, dapat lagi dia.
Dance. Ult is ready. Launch attack.
Jadi hilang ya ini ya.
Launch attack. Mega kill.
Nah,
Initiate
mati dia guys. Sakit banget ini cok. Ini pasti ke gua mulu dia.
No secret is safe from me. Ult is not ready. Launch attack. Try to keep up. If you can. Coming. Wait for me. Ha! Ult is not ready. Coming. Wait for me. Ult is not ready. Launch attack.
Apa sih ini orang sih?
Let's get some more.
Aduh, dicicil mulu gua. Aduh guys. Ini sakit banget ya. bisa sakit gitu
Ult
deh.
is not ready.
Surpet ya. Wede. Kelas.
Battle cell in cooler. Cover turtle. Launch attack. Ult is not ready. Want to dance? Launch attack. We're ahead in goal. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Is not ready. Launch attack.
Dapat dia. Ada Yin nih pasti nih. Mitra nih nggak sih? Martis, cepatlah kau jalannya. Aduh, satu hit mati ya. Ini kirim pakai tembakan gitu ya. Wow. Puris ya. Aduh, kagak mau ini lagi, pinter tuh. Atas tuh bro. Aduh, mati gue guys. Rata man. Dem. Rata man, tusuk-tusuk dong man. Dem. Dem. Gila. Mana bantai ini si Roger kan. Martis 16-1 guys. Gue ngurusin ininya lah.
Try to keep up if you can. Battle spell in cooldown.
Dapat itu.
An ally has slain Lord. Battle spell. The stars are my beacon. Attack.
Tenang. Win banget.
Legendary. Destroyed a turret. Double kill. Enemy has been slain.
Sabar atas. Minion nggak ada wih.
No secret is safe from me.
Digendong tuh sama Martis.
Victory!
Empat itu lama banget nih Glory nih. Dia naik 1 ya berarti ya. Enggak deh. Dia tadi dari 45 dia. 45 apa 43 tadi dia. Kita ada GPX bro. Udah di mid lane lagi ya.
Please ban a hero.
Ngantuk gua. Ini ada yang bisa harap ya nih.
Your team is banning. The enemy is picking.
See value in me?
Redrin.
Please pick a hero.
You should.
Redrin.
For honor!
Nana kali gua.
You want to make friends with Nana?
The enemy is picking.
May the blood of my enemies flow from my spirit.
Is in sight, soldier.
Is picking.
Penasaran tuh tadi buildnya tadi tuh. Dia tadi pakai apa ya, lupa gua. Pakai ini dia. Talonnya kan makanya itu untuk talonnya deh. Oh, gitu.
The fallen stars brought us here. Your
Dia
team
flame
is
ship ya?
picking.
Oh, nggak bisa flame ship dia.
Years of imprisonment.
Dia makai lari, ini sprint ya? Dua-dua sprint kayaknya. Petani Febiola. Halo Bang Mahdor.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Gila, dari tadi belum emot-emot, gue baru emot nih.
It's a day wasted if you don't pick yourself up.
Launch attack!
Let me protect you. I can control my power now.
Missing. Enemy missing.
One for the little girl who lives down the lane.
You have slain an enemy. Sorry.
Apple pies are the best things.
Lihat, lihat, lihat. Sama-sama ini cu, sama-sama rusuh cu.
Yeah.
Enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
I will share everything with you. We are friends.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Gather up the turtle. Launch attack. Battles behind.
Oh, sama-sama ini deh.
The sky, don't bully me.
Balik-balik nih.
Launch attack.
Ambil midnya siapa?
Attack the turtle. Launch attack. Slain.
Ambil midnya bro, biar level 4 nih.
You have slain an enemy.
Aduh, kena gue. Kena tunsret. Wow. Aduh, didorong strong dong.
Don't bully me.
Sekarat betul dia.
Ult is not ready.
Hi-ya. Meow. Nana doesn't like those scary monsters.
Ult is not ready.
Awas di ini magruk lu.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Groknya ke bawah kayaknya tuh.
Nice! Nice!
Nana has learned to control her power.
Has been slain. Enemy missing.
Ini groknya.
Elves are so pretty, but Leonins are cute too. Don't bully me.
Oh, dikenal lagi.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate Nana? Let me protect you. I can control my power now.
Buset. Hampir, bro. Lu bayangin, shieldnya full, putih. Awas ya, moskop ya. Lihat, Brody join, Brody.
Launch attack.
Di sini Brody bantai-bantai, kita lihat, cerut. Dibantai ternyata, guys.
Double kill.
Mati dia. Loh, kagak mati dia.
Launch attack.
Let's check the lore. One for the little girl who lives on the land.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Initiate retreat.
Apple pies are the best things ever.
Kenapa harus gue diincer sih? Personal banget itu sama YouTube.
Double kill. Turret has been destroyed. Good game. Launch attack.
Told me not to judge others.
Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat is not ready.
Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate
Ult
Nana?
is not ready.
Don't bully me. Nana has learned to control her power. Meow. Nana doesn't like those scary monsters.
Clear up lanes. Ult is not ready.
Waduh, kena deh.
Request backup down.
Kelas.
Team destroy the turret. Ult is not ready.
Sky, the clouds, the rat, and the fairies. Hi-ya.
Lord.
nggak sih? Nggak bisa nggak sih?
We can
Ya
hang out in the moon with Boris.
ilah dia.
Elves are so pretty, but Leomans are cute too. Don't bully me!
Aduh, NRG oh rata-rata mah Brody. Mau stop ya bro. Belakang bro. Ulti Natalia dia.
Ult is not ready.
It's a day wasted if you don't pick yourself up.
Oh itunya dia yang dapat ya. Nggak ngeliatin lordnya gua.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ult is not ready. Battle spell in cooldown.
Don't bully me! Elves are so pretty, but Leomans are
Ult is not ready.
Blunder dia kan. Halo guys.
Ult is not ready.
Let me protect you. I can control my power now. Hi-ya! Don't bully me!
Panik.
Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready.
Apple pies are the best things ever.
Initiate retreat.
Don't bully me!
Slain. Initiate retreat.
Udah kagak ada ulti bro.
Initiate retreat.
Nggak bisa apa-apa bro. Nggak ada ulti bro.
Ult is not ready.
Hi-ya!
Ally has been slain.
Nice!
Don't bully me!
Slain. Initiate retreat.
Karat tuh dia MM-nya. MM. Iya bener emang.
Why are you
Initiate free.
Nana?
Attack the Lord.
Wah, kena lagi bro. Nah, blunder dia.
Yeah, don't bully me!
Slain.
Nggak mau stop gua.
Under attack. Shut down.
Gila sih ini masih petani.
Enemy has been slain. Keep an eye on the map. Keep an eye on the map.
MM-nya AFK tuh.
Request backup.
Mama told me not to judge others.
Your team destroyed a turret. Attack the Lord. Initiate retreat.
Nana has learned to control her power.
Ult is not ready. Attack the Lord.
Nggak apa-apa, ketarik ke gua nih dia nih.
You have slain an enemy.
Gasin aja bro, ketarik ke gua dia. Kelas.
Double kill.
Lorter sih dapat kita ya. Frederiknya ketarik ke gua dia. Siapa dapat nih?
Launch attack.
Waduh, dia dapat 2 kali, bro.
Team destroyed a turret.
Stay wasted and
Siapa yang
don't
dapetin ya?
trip yourself up. Don't bully me.
Wop, mau stop miss ya, mau stop miss. Nanti di mau stop gua.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. You destroyed a turret.
Nah tuh kena kucing dia.
Okay. Clear up lane.
Nggak usah NOD ini mah. Domi Tigreal kali cukup gua.
Launch attack.
We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Don't bully me.
Aduh, miss lagi. Kalau nggak miss mati tuh dia.
I'll take the orange buff.
The sky, the clouds, the grass, and the berries.
Beware of ambush. Initiate retreat.
Don't bully me.
Unstoppable. Initiate retreat.
Aduh. Sabar tuh, lihat dulu dong. Gas. Umpatin combo wombo,
Slain.
combo wombo jumbo.
Quest backup. Gather up the Lord.
Siapa yang mau clear nih?
Meow. Nana doesn't like those scary monsters.
Mas Wata mau nyoba kayaknya.
Elves are so pretty, but humans are cute too.
Jangan di clear nggak sih? Jangan di clear ya.
Request backup.
Iya cu, atas bawah malah di clear kok. Cek atas bawah, atas tengah kok cepat. Buat gue dong. Bantuin nggak sih, Teris? Alah, Teris. Nah, gitu dong. Well done.
Well done.
Yes.
Let me protect you. Don't bully me.
Itu power lu.
Mega kill.
Meninggal kita deh. Oh, tenang.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Sini dong.
Don't bully me.
Pancing dia.
Enough to judge others.
Kita kepancing dia. Wop. kepancing kitanya malah lu. Mas Kope sih,
Apple
tombaknya pas
pies are
banget
the
ya.
best things ever.
Launch attack. Our turret is under attack. Slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat.
Gue bayangin ya, lihat.
Don't bully me. The sky, the clouds, the grass, and the fairies.
Lihat. Anjay. Pistol dulu, Bos. Dia flame sheet kan? Nggak dipakai flame sheetnya dia.
It's a day wasted if you don't cheer yourself up. Don't bully me. We can hang out in the moonlit forest.
Aduh. Ininya cuy, referee-nya cuy. What do you think about?
I will share everything with you, 'cause we are friends.
Referee-nya kalah mulu.
Ult is not ready. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Well done.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Mau maksa kah?
Backup. Slain.
Sabar guys, BU guys, BU dikit. Tadi Frederinya padahal itu ya. Salah dan Jen.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
MM-nya kenapa dah?
I will
Jangan
share
blunder
everything
dulu, Lam.
with you, 'cause we are friends. Hi-ya!
Jangan blunder ya, sabar.
Ult is ready. Launch attack. Our turret is under attack.
Iya cuk, retrinya cuk, tapi nggak apa-apa deh.
We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Nana has learned to control her power. Let's get the Lord! Mama told me not to judge others.
Initiate retreat.
Elves are so pretty,
Initiate
but
retreat.
Leonins are cute too. Hi-ya!
Keep an eye on the map. Watch. Keep an eye on the map.
Dan Uwen sih.
Ult is ready.
Apple pies are the best things ever.
Keep an eye on the map. Initiate retreat.
Hi-ya!
Emang kita dikit bro.
Don't bully me.
Nah, kena dia.
Scary monsters.
Aduh, gak mati dong. Aduh, panjang enggak nih.
Initiate retreat.
Aduh, tenang. Halo Arif, Syah Putra Dwi.
Let me protect you. I can control my power now. One for the little girl who lives down the lane.
Battle the airplane.
Kena lagi dia.
Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate Nana?
Retreat. Initiate retreat. Let's get the horde. Initiate retreat. Let's get the horde. Attack.
Atas udah gue jalanin tuh atas. Ya ilah. Bisa mati saya berinya nih bener.
Ult is not ready. Launch attack.
Aduh,
Initiate retreat.
gimana.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
I will share everything with you, because we are friends.
Bencana ya guys ya. Iya, blade armor nih.
Apple pies are the best things ever. Meow. Nana doesn't like those scary monsters.
Ya ampun, orang ada gua ya, dia malah nongol cuy.
The sky, the clouds, the grass, and the berries.
Launch attack.
Aduh, gue kira udah mati guys, ternyata belum mati. Timonya berarti masih ada bro. Ya ditarik. Salah di ini game. Udah mundur gak sih? Bisa kah? Skill udah. Nice. Bisa guys, kanan.
Ult is not ready.
Ya udah ke N itu. Dia sengit banget adik-adik.
Victory!
Lah gue mah honor gue emang naik. Gila dari pagi bro, lu bayangin dari pagi gue main. Gara-gara ketemu si Nana. Aduh. Wah terakhir nih las nih udah mau juhur. Baterai gue 47.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning. The enemy is picking. Please pick a hero.
Apaan ya?
It is in despair that I see the fondest hopes.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Fight! Fight for the ultimate answer.
Hilda lagi dia.
Chivalry is dead, and
Your
I
team
will
is
revive it.
When the body
Enak kali Lilia ya.
I am
Udah 2
the
jam
power
nih
of
dia.
light incarnate.
Aduh, Yin.
I am Yin, and always will be, no matter what. I might not be a lighted man, but I do know my trade.
Yin. Yin and Yang. Waduh. Ini yang bikin repot sih Yin ya. Semoga Yinnya ini dah oleng dia. Yin masukin gue terus nggak apa-apa sih asal Nathannya free.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Tumbal kah kita tumbal gaming kah?
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All true
Oh menang dia. Nah,
It is
diambil
a
Cuk.
blessing to bloom and
Bosnya diambil. Maling. Ya Allah, maling.
shame on you. Request backup. Launch attack. Their memories. Time. Ally has been slain.
Ini jadi kebagi-bagi gini bro, fokusnya bro.
This is not the end for us. My people are calling to me. An enemy has been slain.
Siapa yang dapat buffnya ya? Clean ya?
For necropsy is cold and hostile. For one day, the enemy has slain the turtle. There. Ally has been slain. There.
Ternyata Hilda-nya yang bikin repot.
For necrokeep. I'll put a beacon that guides necrokeep in the dark. Okay. Request backup. Enemy missing. There's no we hold our ground.
Aduh, Hilda-nya ini bikin repot banget cok. Alah.
My watch won't stop. Despair will be
Hypernya masih
dispelled.
1600 guys, kalah jauh banget itu guys. Kalah di ini game.
Ult is ready. Launch attack. For necro enemy has slain the turtle.
Susah ya percekluk mah.
In memory of the fallen. Ult is not ready.
Culik lagi.
Such a painful goodbye. Ally has been slain. Excellent work. Enemy not ready. Slain.
Bisa late game banget tapi guys.
Fear.
Harapan terakhir tuh di Nathan. Salah ini dia, salah ulti tuh. Masih bisa menang ini. Aduh, sakit banget. Aduh, Rex ngajak.
Ult is not ready. Fallen.
Ya Allahu Rabbi.
Ult is not ready. Expire? Ult is not ready.
Flicker terus, kejar. Udah fail, kejar terus. Udah fail loh, jangan dikejar lah.
Fear. Or desperately. You have slain an enemy. Life wasted. An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready. Your team destroyed a turret.
Kagak ada rasa sama sekali, sumpah. Menang lagi guys, bisa menang guys.
Ult is not ready. Battle spell in cooldown.
Such a painful goodbye.
Ult is not ready. Not ready. Our turret is under attack. Wake up!
Tarik ini aja kok. Dari tadi kita tarik ini menang loh.
My people are calling to me. For necropede. Ult is not ready. I was supposed to marry him. Our turret is not ready. Our turret is under attack. Shame on you.
Dia nggak mau ngelord kah?
Tears and laughter. Such a trouble. Initiate retreat. This is not the end. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. The enemy has slain. Initiate retreat. Ult is ready. In memory of the
Defend
fallen.
the high ground!
There's no farther for us to fall. Battle spell in cooldown. I was supposed to marry him.
Defend the high ground!
Gown. Initiate retreat. Killing spree.
Dia udah ngantuk gue nih.
Necrokeep is too cold.
Launch attack. There's no farther for us to fall. Launch attack.
Udah juga apa Nathan, ini kunci ada di Nathan.
Such extravagant graces. Defend the turret. Keep an eye on the launch attack. Spear. Leave.
nggak maju gitu juga, Cok. Kita bikin repot dia aja. Mau nggak jadi kali ya? Aduh, udah ngantuk gua nih.
Defend the high ground.
Does it expire?
Jangan dilihat dulu, bro. Nungguin nanti, bro. Jangan, bro.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Lu bayangin hyper cyclop. Yes, ya.
Visitor. For Necrokeep is cold and hostile. Take despair. Defend the turret.
Defend the high ground.
Lumayan lah itunya ya. Ih, dapat taburannya cuy.
Fear.
Nice. Gak masalah guys, gue mati guys. Yang penting temen-temen gue bisa hidup guys.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Masa nggak ngerti juga jagain Nathan, bro.
Ult is not ready.
Ini tarik clean nih menang sih, serius dah. Yuk tarik clean yuk.
High ground.
Sabar ya, cari momen tarik clean ya.
Ult is ready.
Swapnya kurang banget sih guys. Damage-nya juga kurang.
For one day,
Langsung aja kalau mau
Necrokeep will
ini.
bathe the daylight. Attack.
Ya, flicker dia tuh ya.
Fear.
Di saat-saat seperti ini gue nggak boleh mati nih guys. Banyak ini dulu, woi.
Ult is ready. There are memories, time.
Banyakin aja.
Ally has been slain. Fear. Initiate retreat. Despair. We hold our ground. You have slain an enemy.
Ini kayaknya nggak belum paham ya dia. Nathan tuh udah ada damage bro, jadi gasin aja siapapun.
Does not erase.
Nathan tuh udah ada damage dia. hampir itu. Nathan udah damage dia.
For Necro Keep. For Necro Retreat. Our base is under attack. Oh, not ready. This is not the expert.
Mati gua. Bawa.
Initiate retreat.
Nathannya juga kesel kali dia kelamaan cu. Padahal gampang aja, tarik aja siapapun. Kaja, halo. Dia nonton kali Kaja ya.
Such a painful goodbye. We hold on fast. Slain.
Nah, guys. Udah honor, turun lagi. Ya wes lah. Oke lagi, mungkin lanjut besok ya. Terima kasih banyak buat kalian semua yang udah nonton live ini sampai habis ya guys ya. Mohon maaf kalau ada yang belum dibaca chatnya ya guys ya, karena fokus main gua. Thank you, sampai jumpa di besok. Bye bye.